Hey there, everyone. Do you know why the internet almost broke? Let us look inside the Cloudflare outage of 2025. Today, we will be presenting a detailed breakdown of one of the largest internet outages in recent history, the Cloudflare outage of November 18, 2025. This incident triggered disruptions across the global internet ecosystem and exposed critical weaknesses in centralized network infrastructures. Why don't we look at the timeline about what happened on November 18, 2025 that led to this cascading failure? At 11:20 UTC, the internet experienced a massive global disruption. Major services like ChatGPT, Twitter, Uber, Spotify, Discord, Canva, and many others stopped functioning. The root cause was surprisingly simple. A routine database update generated an oversized file system. That file propagated instantly through Cloudflare's global edge network, causing synchronized failures across thousands of servers. The 11:20 UTC anomaly. The outage was triggered during a routine ClickHouse database permission update. This process normally generates a small features file used for bot detection and security rules. Due to a logic bug, the file bloated into a massive mega file. When Cloudflare deployed it, the system failed immediately. But why would just one file break everything? Well, the oversized file exceeded Cloudflare's internal size limits. When the config parser attempted to load it, it ran into a hard crash, most likely due to a Rust unwrap failure. Crucially, Cloudflare's system had no fallback mechanism. Instead of reverting to a stable configuration, every server attempted to load the same bad file and crashed instantly. Let us look at the speed with which it spread. Since Cloudflare functions as a supernode for the global internet, around 20% of all web services pass through it. When the corrupt file was published, all nodes received it simultaneously. All nodes failed in the same way, and a network-wide collapse followed instantly. Cloudflare servers are designed to self-heal by rebooting, but after rebooting, they immediately downloaded the same bad file again, leading to a loop. This caused what engineers call a sawtooth pattern, with the internet on for about 20 seconds, followed by the internet off for another 5. This fluctuation repeated for almost 4 hours. The thundering herd effect. Because all Cloudflare nodes restarted at the same time, they caused massive load spikes globally. Networks experienced load balancing failures, DNS delays, authentication breakdowns. This compounded the outage's severity.
The outage impacted several high traffic platforms. For example, ChatGPT login authentication failures, Twitter request routing failures, Spotify 713 million users unable to stream, Uber driver rider matching failed, Discord service wide disruptions, Canva API and resource loading failures. Why Cloudflare going down is a big deal. Cloudflare isn't just a CDN, it provides security, DDoS protections, DNS resolution, authentication layers, zero trust access. When Cloudflare fails, every dependent service fails with it. They are essentially part of the internet's critical infrastructure. Cloudflare's status page also went offline because it was protected by the same Cloudflare network that was failing. This meant no updates for nearly 40 minutes. This result was widespread confusion and panic, including conspiracy theories about cyber attacks and major geopolitical events.
So, why it happened? Technical cause. The root cause include a latent query bug that doubled the file size, a config loader that crashed instead of ignoring invalid input, no guardrails to prevent global rollout, and no fallback version to fall back on. This combination created a perfect storm. Now, preventive measures. To prevent such failures in the future, Cloudflare and other companies should implement canary deployments. Test in one region first. Fallback logic. When a config is broken, don't crash. Input validation. Reject oversized or malformed files. Dependency isolation. Critical systems like status pages must remain online independently. Conclusion. So I would like to conclude the Cloudflare outage shows how a single misconfigured file can break a significant portion of the internet. It highlights the importance of strong network topology, proper risk mitigation, reliable crisis communication, and distributed system resilience. This event will likely influence how infrastructure providers design the system for years to come. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.